Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a review for Slime Fantasies. So let's get started. So the first thing I noticed was that the package was like really shiny and like silvery. So yeah. And I also really liked all of these slimes. They were I tried to get all the different textures, so they were really fun to play with. I also noticed that they were all bubble wrapped, and that's like really good. I really like that. And they also gave me a bag of activator. The activator does a lollipop and their business card. They also smelled just like, well, the title, and so they smelled really good. So this first slime is the free extra, and I think it is a 4 ounce. So it is a green glossy slime with white and orange foam beads, and it was a little sticky when I first opened it, so I just added a little bit of activator. So this time I think it kind of smelled like toothpaste. That's what I think. So it was kind of a little weird, but overall it was a really nice slime. And by the way, all the slimes I ordered were 6 ounces except for one. And I also forgot to tell you that I will try to post once a week, but if I don't worry about it. And on Wednesday I will be going on summer break, so I won't be posting at that time until I think around August. So this next slime is called Birthday Cupcake. It is a cloud cream slime, and it smells just like, I guess, a cupcake. And it's a little, it's a light yellow color, and it has these different colored beads. I think they're supposed to represent sprinkles. So this slime was really it had instant snow in it, and it was also really spreadable and stretchy, and I didn't have to add any activator to it. So this next slime is called Lychee Jelly. It has a really nice lychee scent, and I had to get this because lychee is my favorite fruit, so I had to get it. And it was a jelly slime, so it was a really pretty white color, just like lychee, and I just really loved this slime. It was also perfectly activated straight out of the container, and I don't find that often in jelly slimes, so that was like a bonus to me. So this next slime is called Marshmallow Fluff, and it is an inflatable slime. And this smelled like just like marshmallows, and it was a really soft and smooth white butter slime, I think. Now it's an inflatable, so I don't really know how you make inflatables, but it had a really smooth texture, and I really liked this slime, and it was the only slime that I bought in 8 ounce. So overall, I really liked this slime shop, and it is Slime Fantasies, and I will link it in the description below. So this is the activator dust I was talking about, and their business card, and also the lollipop they sent me. So like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you on next week's video. Bye!